Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking channel guys. Chef Carlton here, asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you wonder what I'm doing today guys, I'm doing a basic fried dumpling recipe. So I got some flour, some baking powder, salt, a little bit of butter. I got some sugar, and this is optional guys. A lot of people I know don't use that. You know what, I'm gonna show you how to make it if you're gonna use it. If not, just leave it out. If not, just use it. Like, it won't make much of a difference because you're not putting enough to sweeten the flour. It's just a little bit of flavor, but it's not much. I personally, when I make them, I usually don't use them, but in this recipe I'm gonna go ahead and use it. All right, so let's get into it. All right guys, so for this one I recommend sifting your flour. So you could do the flour with the salt and the baking powder together. All right. Heck, you could even do the sugar also. All right. So now let's go ahead and just sift. All right. Got a few little pieces, but that doesn't matter. Then I like to get some gloves because this one will take some getting dirty. Make sure your hands are clean. We're gonna get down and get messy right now. All right. And I also like to get a small spoon. I'm just gonna make a little channel in here, get some water. Sure your water is room temperature. Add a little bit first. I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. It's a little bit room temperature. Then I'm gonna go ahead and knead all of that together. Careful not to make such a mess. Alright, and then if you guys realize I got my oil going, I want to get to at least 300 degrees. So I got it in low heat going. I'm just going to do a basic fried dumpling recipe guys, because a lot of people actually ask me for these recipes for the fried dumpling, and it's pretty popular in Jamaica, but not a lot of people know how. So just doing a quick little demo. Add the water little by little. Don't add all of it at once. Just go a little by little. All right, so now we are where we need to be. All right, so you guys could see when you need flour, and you get it right when you finish, when your bowl is clean. That's when you know you get it right. All right, you got the right amount of water to the right amount of flour. All right. So a lot of people at this point, they will cover this up and they sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna do all of that, guys. We're gonna go right into making our dumplings. So I'm gonna make a little ball. All right, so I got my dumplings. Then this is what they look like before. And now I got a hot pot of oil. Let's rest these here. We're gonna go ahead and insert them in the oil, just like so. Careful not to let them stick to each other, and you don't want to overcrowd the pot either. If you got a deep fryer, even better. All right, and just move them around, let them go, just so they are not sticking together or anything, guys. Just like that. And let them cook, guys. Don't rush them. let them cook. If the oil is covering them, you don't really have to do much. But you know, sometimes a lot of people don't want to use too much oil, so they half it. So you do one side and flip over the other side. I prefer if we just make sure we have enough oil to cover them, and we go from there. And that's it, guys. You know, not quite ready yet. Another minute or two. Then you got some nice, perfect fried dumplings. It's not that hard, guys. And this is one of my favorite, guys. I grew up on this, guys. Alright, the same plate, guys. Get a napkin. Just put it in there. And then we're gonna put our fried dumplings in there. Let them drain. Alright, guys. So as you can see, almost there. Just got 3 left. And I got the rest over here on the napkin cooling down. And you see, guys, really soft and delicate, not tough. Hard on the outside, soft on the inside. That's exactly what you're looking for in fried dumpling, guys. Good. Alright, there you go, guys. That's it. Nice, beautiful fried dumplings. And as I said, I already taste a couple of them. They're not soft on the outside. They're tough, but then they're soft on the inside, which is what you wanted. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and let me know what you guys want to see me do next.